Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by confirming the mobile number is active and that you can receive SMS. This matters because Apple uses text for verification. Next, open Appleid. Apple, Com, or the Find My app on a trusted device. Make sure you are signed out of any personal Apple ID. Once done, choose Forgot Apple ID or Password and enter the mobile number when prompted, or try the likely email variants. The system will indicate if an account matches that contact. Now you continue by following Apple's recovery flow. Select Forgot Apple ID and input the mobile number. If that field accepts only email, try common email formats tied to the number. Make sure to watch Trusted Devices and SMS for verification codes. Enter codes immediately when they arrive. If two-factor blocks access, start account recovery. This creates a secure, timed path for regaining access. Keep a note of any estimated wait times Apple provides so you can plan follow-up steps. Finally, confirm the Apple ID that appears and sign in or proceed to reset the password. This completes the lookup. If you used account recovery, follow the emailed or SMS instructions until Apple grants access. Once in, update trusted phone numbers and set a strong password. If verification never arrives, contact the mobile carrier to ensure SMS delivery, check other trusted devices, and as a last resort contact Apple support with proof of ownership. Their agents can guide recovery further.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.